Are unexpected material cost changes eroding your profit margins? For small manufacturers, tracking errors silently drain 5 to 30% of profits. Before you know it, your bottom line is at the bottom. For example, if a $5 component price increase goes untracked across thousands of units, what would happen to your profit margin? Introducing Metasystems Payload, an online tool that automatically calculates true costs when any item in your manufacturing process changes. Stop spending hours updating spreadsheets. Our system instantly aggregates component costs throughout your entire product structure, providing you with immediate visibility into how price changes affect your bottom line. Save thousands on your bottom line every month with automatic cost updates at every level. Payload. Simple to implement. Powerful enough to protect your margins with precision. Don't let another day of hidden cost increases impact your profits. Visit Metasystems.com to manage your margins in minutes with Payload.